Hi guys, my name is Majid, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on the iFi Nano iDSD LE. Now this is a very high performing DAC that comes in a small package. Now it offers 32-bit 384 kilohertz audio processing capabilities, and it includes a 1000 milliamp hour battery that will come in handy if you want to take your audio setup with you on the go. And the battery is rated to last for up to 8 hours, so you can have a very nice sounding portable setup with this DAC. Now, taking a look at the device, there are not a lot of inputs and outputs on this device. In the front, there's a 3.5 millimeter audio jack and 2 RCA inputs that can be used for speakers or any other device that you want to connect to it. The volume knob is on the front and it feels extremely smooth. It has a bit of resistance, but I would say that it's just enough to provide a precise volume setting. The unit does come with some silicone grips to keep the DAC in place on your desk or wherever you're using it, and it also comes with a carrying case if you choose to protect it on the go. And overall, I think it's a pretty small device, so the carrying case is something that's important. Now let's take a look at some of the pros. So it's a small unit with a great metal construction that makes it feel very premium and durable. The build quality is phenomenal. The lines on the sides make the unit very easy to handle, and with the silver finish it always looks very clean and free of fingerprints, and overall it's a good looking piece of hardware, something that you would want to display proudly on your desk or wherever you're using it. Now, being a 32-bit 384 kilohertz device, this DAC sounds great with any high-res headphone or audio output device that you might be using it with. Although it's said that most people can't hear any additional detail with higher frequencies past 20 kilohertz, having headphones or speakers that can handle higher frequency sound output means that the range will be much greater, making what you hear sound much better as well. The sound quality from this DAC is absolutely phenomenal. I could hear a great amount of detail. Everything I was listening to sounded very full and allowed for an immersive experience. In comparison, the standard audio from my Windows computer was flat and almost felt dull. However, switching to the iFi, the sound seemed very rich. Each layer was easily distinguishable, and it felt like the audio was much smoother and a lot more clear. Now, on a normal basis, I do use the Audio Engine D1 DAC, and that's a 24-bit device, and I could tell that there was quite a lot of similarities, and the headphones that I used didn't really allow me to experience a full range of what this device can offer. So when it came to that, they were very similar, but had I had some more higher end headphones, I think I would have gotten a lot more out of this device. If you guys want to see a comparison between the iFi Nano iDSD LE and the Audio Engine D1, just because I have both of them, I thought that might be an interesting video. Leave a comment down below, and if I get enough interest, I'll make one and we'll see how it does. Now, let's talk a little bit about the cons. The inputs are in the front. I like the 3.5 millimeter audio on the front, but not the RCA outputs. They look bulky and unclean, especially if you have a nice speaker setup and you're directing audio to it. I don't want it coming out from the front of my DAC just because of the way I might have it set up on my desk. And this basically causes the cables to remain openly visible. It would be much better if the RCA output was moved to the back on the device. Overall, the audio quality on this DAC sounds really good. Although there wasn't a huge difference compared to the DAC I use on a daily basis, I could tell that the sound was a bit warmer with slightly more detail coming through. I think people with higher quality headphones may be able to identify a greater level of detail. If you're looking to get into some high quality audio but don't want to dish out buckets of cash, this DAC is a great product to consider. If you're interested, I have put links down below for you to check out. And if you like this video, make sure to click that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.